Hello squad, welcome to Cars for India. I'm your host Priyanka Datta. So today in this video we're gonna check out a Honda Jazz which was from 2014. So initially the customer came for paint touch-up, but we made him understand that paint touch-up will not give him the expected results. So हमने उनको suggest किया to do full body denting and painting. So guys, as you can see the before picture over here with lots of dents. So after we did the full body denting and painting and also the paint protection, here you can see the final result.
So let's dive into the process how it was done.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So guys, I hope you have enjoyed our video, and actually we are so new to this YouTube, so I guess you will support. Okay, we need our support, lots and lots of blessings and support. So please like, subscribe and share, please. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.